Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics easy, only way. Focus on fundamentals first and make problem solving your main practice. Break topics into core ideas, then pair each idea with 2 clear example problems you can solve by hand. Use diagrams and simple analogies to turn equations into visual stories. Review errors deliberately, track progress, and gradually increase difficulty to build reliable intuition and confidence. Set a study routine that combines focused sessions and quick reviews to maximize retention. Begin each session with a 5-minute recap of prior material, then tackle 2 to 3 new problems at increasing difficulty. Alternate conceptual review and calculations, and use spaced repetition for formulas and key relationships. End by summarizing mistakes, noting solution patterns, and planning the next session to keep steady progress without burnout. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more study tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice that I use and enjoy. I mention it because a fresh ride helps clear your mind between study sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that helps you, thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Build durable skills by practicing smart, not just often, so you retain concepts longer. Create mixed problem sets that force you to choose methods rather than follow steps, and use active recall to retrieve formulas and reasoning. Teach a friend or record yourself explaining solutions to expose weak spots. Track recurring errors, convert them into targeted drills, and celebrate small wins to keep motivation high while steadily improving performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.